Ali, one tutorial. Partursel clearly earlier kasi makaram download ang movies online for free. Aktilik kasi kumurula mo tulwan. Ito nga uko kasi makaram burn na igil film download movies mura DVD man sa naman sa DVD instead of the computer screen. So was a software called ConvertX to DVD. Just download the near say the mininova.org. So over mininova the camera search and then type in X convert X to DVD and biskawa gotokol kaidal torrent. Again in giram no sige sel botokar number under seeds mong bare download sa check comment for quality o ram download ni. So far ito kita la ngil copy mong download ang kaidal version. Once you download and start convert and burn to DVD. So what kita tetelel sel opener sel download them opener ni yang wa tetelel ang kaidal kala. So from here and start a movie. Okay, so how do you use this? Much simple. Kadi meron kadi open ringi or yung file or you can just click on kadi plus or either a movie file. Okay, so you can download the movies. So click on kadi plus add movie and then wait till it brings up your folder. Okay, and then documents and commercial service that's booze and then double click and normally I'll have some movies here but I'm delete Borat delete so let's go back to my documents and on a video, for example. My videos, let's say I wanna so I'll convert tag the burning my DVD click and then click open ilang load the new material software so open and load the cell video file material software once load and marine and then it's going to show up in this box here. Okay, so from here you can do edit style or menu subtitle or middle some style. So take it title my DVD just emergency click here so choose I get all options here auto start playback so mo to nga DVD hindi start hindi play maluba ka change I get all options here and change take the title my DVD to any title you want. Take it to a movie right here. So show me download it's right here. So I'm click on or if you take it preview video preview. So I'm drag it almost video where then I'm also change our textile editor the opening and then in the title menu and change title menu subtitle as MRT the right click add subtitle as download online and movie low subtitle tagi one method spring download online movie online. So once motunya DVD movie edit title menu يسيبو مريق يغدي convert and yeah, start to convert after conversion in askar gal lotunya blank CD blank DVD من start to burn alu من mora settings رغاو setting دي كواس دي start to burn سيب المرا convert and دي start to burn دي كده ما أتونيا blank DVD را burner غاو مسيب المرا convert and دي ممرا start to burn. So normally it'll take about 30 minutes to convert and burn movies. So take the one malungil software similar spelling can burn a DVD blam download online. So again it doesn't moringi download the Mini Nova convert X to DVD for free. Normally it'll cost like $49.99 a copy is free. So okay, take the second part to sell tutorial really kasi makaram download. This one is how to burn those movies for DVDs. So so lang. Thanks.